In this video, it is still very cold in the UK, so I decide not to use emulsion and just use spray paint. I had a load of scraps that I need to use up, so I decided to head to a local spot and paint something. So here we are. Back at this spot. Just going to use a load of scrap cans today and just do something here on the end. Hope it's not wet. Oh yeah, that's grim. Maybe not. So, take two. Just painting just a little bit further along the bridge. So this is obviously being dogged with some blue paint. Looks like when it was really wet down here. It's actually all flaking off anyway. So yeah, a little bit damp, not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do something like quick. So yeah, sober and who's that dude? I've forgotten. Orb. So, got loads of scrappy cans I'm going to blitz through. I'm just going to go a bit crazy. I'll sketch something up first, some basic letters, and then I'm just going to piss around. Yeah, basically blast a load of scrappy tins, get rid of them. Do now is I'm actually going to go around it with a can of black. It's going to be a black outline basically on a scatty, crazy, multicoloured background. Hopefully, if I've got enough different colours and enough of it. So I'm actually going to use a NyQuil. I haven't used one for quite a while for some reason. Don't know why. So yeah, that's an old V1, version 1. So yeah, crack on with that. Yellow banana skinny cap. V1s are not very good with fat caps, so V2s slightly wider at the front, so they work perfectly with a fat cap. I prefer to actually not use a NyQuil when using a fat cap for some reason. I think I've said it in a previous video where I found if I was using a NyQuil all the time, when I came to using a can conventionally without a NyQuil, I was a little bit, I don't know, fingers felt really weak. So yeah, right, I was going to set up that camera, wasn't I? But I started talking about random stuff, rambling on, as I do. So there you go, that is it for this video. It has been a little while. I haven't really been painting much over this winter period. As I probably said in the last video, I need to get my arse in gear and get shifting on some things, but life gets in the way sometimes and other bits and pieces. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Please give this video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm painting very soon. I plan to do something quite involved for what I usually do. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.